Have you ever been asked a simple question like, what do you want? And you go, space out. Your brain knows it's a very simple question, but your body feels like, wow, this is so hard. And here's why it is so hard. When you were little, you asked for what you wanted. You were ignored. You gather your courage and you ask again. You share your deep need, and instead of care, you get a no. Maybe you were even called names. So you start to believe that, hey, wanting something and saying what I want, it's bad. So at this moment, your body learns something very smart. I will feel peaceful if I don't have need or speak up my need. So no need, I keep my peace. Then you saw your girlfriend also ask for what she wanted, and she was also ignored. And one day you were watching TV, and the TV says, it is not okay to be demanding because as a demanding woman, nobody would like you, and you become a leftover woman where nobody would marry you. So over time, when people ask you what you want, you're actually jeopardizing this very huge structure that you have built over time. It will feel very dangerous. It is dangerous. The whole thing, it's going to collapse. So here's how we rebuild. Every time you take the courage to really scan your body and feel what you want, and you say what you want, and when you get it, I don't want you to rush through it. I want you to pause and feel into your body, to feel how it feels, to know what you want, and to get what you want. And each time you experience that, you're making the foundation of this new core belief stronger. You will discover that there are many, many people in your world who care about you, who want to know what you truly want, and who want to give you what you want.